Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to our channel One to Step. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into MetaBank's Emerald Card account, also known as H&R Emerald Card account. Alright, so it doesn't matter, both of them means the same thing. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. And remember, MetaBank is an American bank. It's a really big bank. It provides you a lot of features over here like Ace Flare account and H&R Emerald Card account as well. So there's a lot of features provided by MetaBank. So if you want to sign up for MetaBank, you guys can watch our video on our channel One to Step, where we teach you guys how you guys can sign up on MetaBank as well. You guys can watch our video over there as well. And let's move on in today's video's topic on how you guys can log in into MetaBank's Emerald Card account. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for videos like this. Alright. First step, you want to search for MetaBank Emerald Card login. Once you search for it, make sure you click on Emerald Card Login H&R Block and make sure it takes you to www.hrblocks.com. Alright, so once you click on it, make sure it takes you to this website. So wait for some time until this page loads up. Now once you're over here, what you want to do is over here where it says sign in, you can click on it and it's going to take you to the login page. And this is what your Emerald Card is going to look like. Alright, as you guys can see, there was like a demo picture of it. Now once you're over here, if you don't have an account, you can always click on create one to create yourself an Emerald Card account, but we already have our account because we want to log in. So we're over here, so enter your username. After you enter the username, enter the password of your account and then tick mark remember me. What this does is every single time you come to hrblock.com, you're gonna automatically be logged in into this account, but only for this device over here. So basically, if you're using a private device, you can tick this, but if you're not, do not tick mark this, because anyone who's using that device can log in into your account easily without having to enter your username and password. Alright, and if you forgot your username or password, you can always click on forgot username/password in order to recover the username and password of your account as well. Alright, once you type your username, password, click on sign in, and if your username and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your Emerald Card account or your HR Block MetaBank card account. Alright, so hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then, and peace out.